Now, the 2019-2020 season of the Red Stripe Premier League season looks set to come to an end following several meetings with the various stakeholders. The league has been suspended since early March due to COVID-19, with PLCA Chairman Carvel Stewart saying they were hoping for a July restart. However, speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill earlier this afternoon, President of the Jamaica Football Federation, Michael Ricketts, revealed that the decision will be announced in the coming hours.
They met and they made a recommendation to the Board of Directors that the competition be cancelled and we prepare for a new competition, normally starts last Sunday in August, or if not early September. Overwhelmingly, Board of Directors have supported the recommendation.
And is it it's a consensus?
Overwhelmingly. and of course, like I said, we've been having discussions with a number of key stakeholders, being the PLCA, the minister with responsibility for sport, persons from the Ministry of Health, doctors who work with the JFF.
Over the last few weeks, players and coaches have given mixed views on